Good morning, everybody. As promised, here's the update this morning on the tropical wave you're watching approaching us from the east. Now, it's Barbados again, folks, and this is the system you're watching. This extensive area of cloud here, well, this is more likely the core of the system. When I say core, not a circulation, there's no center associated with this system, but it's the meat and potatoes we're watching here. And this area ahead of it is actually a gust front we've been watching over the past few hours, approaching the island, and looks like most of it is going to pass to the north of the island. I'll show you that in radar shortly. But before we get there, just to remind you, we have excess rainfall set at yellow and severe thunderstorm also set at yellow alert. There was some discussion this morning if we should elevate that to flash flood watch and severe thunderstorm watch. And so we decided to keep it at yellow because it doesn't look that significant at this point in time. But that could change at short notice. So continue to watch our website and our social media pages for updates as we go on this morning as the tropical wave approach. Let's switch to the radar now. Okay, let me just get away a bit here. There's Barbados right in my back here. And this is drone Sabu. And you see drone Seaway pops in just about now. And as we just turned off a few moments ago on this Ocean Hunter. Now, there's a couple of things I want to show you here. Now, this is a gust front I mentioned that's actually approaching the island. We worked out we're moving about 50 kilometers per hour. And it should be in our area within the next hour. That's what time, Francois? He's losing time on me. It's close around 7 o'clock. But anyway, one of the things I want to show you, you can't probably see it very well here, but drone Seaway picked up average wind speeds around 25 knots or so. That's about, what's it? Francois worked out the numbers for me. I got him on the dime here. It's 30 miles per hour. And so that's, and the radar velocity indicated gusts about 50 miles per hour. Now that's not unusual for heavy showers and thunderstorm activity, so don't get overly concerned. What it does mean, if windy showers do roll through, that we can get some gusty winds, very short period, gusty winds moving through your heavy showers, and then passes through in like 30 minutes or so, and we should be back to normal. But one other thing to note, like I mentioned, it looks like it's lifting and going, most of it past the north of the island within the next hour or so. And if that does happen, most of it, the brunt of it, with this first line, will pass to the north. Now, remember I mentioned last night that all the models was indicating that most of the shore activity will pass to the north of the island. So that looks pretty good for now. In terms of lightning activity, there's not a lot of lightning activity going on. There's only 1, 2, 3, couple of strikes going on. You can see from those blue cloud markings in here. There's a lot more lightning strikes further north, and somewhere here still with the drone to the east. We're going to continue to watch another area in here. It's not showing up very well on the radar right now because of its distance on the radar. But as it comes a little closer and it continues to regenerate thunderstorm activity, perhaps we'll see some more lightning activity. So when this first wave passes through, next hour or so, showers, gusty winds, and then it will improve. Again, remain cloudy. It will remain cloudy, but shower activity will die down, and it could come back later on in the day. So as the day progresses, continue to watch for any special alerts coming from us. If we do decide to elevate to a flash flood watch or severe thunderstorm watch, you see it on our social media pages, folks. Apart from that, let's have a good day and keep looking out.